Hello guys, welcome to another video of Adama Robotics. In this video, we're going to learn about microcontrollers. So, what is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is a compact integrated circuit designed to govern a specific operation in an embedded system. A typical microcontroller includes a processor, memory, and input-output peripherals on a single chip. Microcontrollers are usually found in vehicles, robots, office machines, medical devices, mobile radio transceivers, vending machines, and home appliances, among other devices. So basically, microcontroller, let's look at the name first. So, micro means small, and controller means something that controls, right? So, a microcontroller is an integrated circuit, or we call it IC chips, designed to govern a specific operation. So basically, it has very less amount of memory, so it can process some information, and it has input-output devices. So usually, we connect microcontrollers to some sensors or simple electronic devices, and like input-output peripherals, and it can perform simple calculations on the single chip. It is low cost and it is used in everyday appliances. For example, you might have a microwave oven at your home, right? So the oven has this microcontroller chip that calculates the functions, how long you want to heat it up for. Do you want to heat it up for 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 5 minutes? And how much heat is it going to give, okay? Or generate how much waves? So that's what the function of microcontroller. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.